Well, it could have been a lot worse. I don't think there's any major structural damage to the truck. It's got the side of the bed crushed down. But I just got the very tail end of the tree. If that had snapped further down, I would have a lot more weight on the truck. Looks like the trunk just split in two up there about 30 feet. And unfortunately, the tree came this way. Just smashed hell out of things. Now we have freezing rain this morning. It's a mess. That's dented the top of the truck right there too. Good big dent there. Stay away from the road, Sadie. Now, before we can move anything, I've got to clear this out of the driveway, so I've at least got to cut the tops off of it and get the weight off the truck. What a mess. Wonder which one's next to go out of that stack. This is really gonna wreck my weekend. Digging out, getting it so that I can get Lydia's car out at least. No, I can't push that much. Way too slippery. Darn thing bent the eaves trough too. Hit it in a couple of spots. Threw branches up on the roof. Bent the eaves trough. Damn it, I didn't think it got the house. Oh well. Got the driveway cleared out so we can leave in the morning. If it dries up sometime today, tomorrow, I will get the tree cut down. Not going to be out here with a chainsaw and all this slippery stuff. About time I fell down and cut my leg off, I'd have two problems. Looks like catalpa trees are kind of like cottonwoods. They just snap right off, and the branches cut real easy, especially green. They just snip right off. Hell, I'm going back inside where it's dry because this is really cold and wet. Just not happy.